good? We're out here, Sneakercon 2018 in London, XL. What are you saying, Uzi?
Ready to rumble early doors? Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah.
Doing giveaways, man. Alright, so we've had a little walk and I think I just spotted something. So come. All good. So what you got going here?
So basically, we got a few things going on.
Okay.
Our main thing is designer kits. So we buy authentic Nike and Adidas and then we customize. So we do embroidery, printing, design, everything in-house. We also, as you can see, we've got a few bits here. So these were the first Neymar and Jordan collab that they did. So we got the last 3 pairs. We don't know of any others that are on the market.
Breeze.
We do some customs as well. So these are like Louis Vuitton inspired. We've also got some Air Force One customs down there with the Supreme. So we de-tipped and we hand painted it.
Okay.
And then obviously we got some. We've got a big one here actually, so at the start of our career we met AJ and we made some hand-painted customs. So it's probably the biggest size shoe we've ever painted. And then look, it's right here, we got the match-winning glove signed. We didn't actually use them to box, but, you know, we got that as a little gift. What's going on?
What's this?
So this is a hand-painted one-of-one Louis V Supreme baseball and bat. So that took a lot of time to do. That's one of our most popular pieces.
How much would you sell this for?
That's going for $250 right now.
$250?
$250.
It's a bargain.
It's a bit of a bargain.
It's a bargain, yeah.
But, you know, we like to be fair here.
Yeah.
Shout out designer kits.
What are you saying? What are you gonna do with that? What are you doing with that? Come.
Yo, what's going on? Sneakercon 2K19. What you guys?
18, bro.
Oh, 2K18. I'm ahead of the game. Are you not finding Sneakercon anyway? Your first one?
Yeah.
My first one.
My boy, myself popped up Supreme bouncy ball.
How much you pay for that?
£5, right?
Is it legit?
Big job.
You get a legit check?
Legit.
You sure?
Legit.
Fair. So what kind of kicks are you lot rocking? Let's see some of them, man. What you got on?
I got some.
Tell us your fit.
Yeezy Zebras. Yeah. I got the Gymboree.
Alright. Sure. What other people do you got today? Yeah, that's heat.
Yeezy Power Phase.
Alright, so the question is, how are you guys? How have you lot got all this merch, all this gear? How have you lot got all this planning? Recently, when did you lot start? We got some real businessmen out here today, so some real business. Oh yeah, you lot got social media?
Oh yeah. Good underscore. M.Chapman._8. Dude Clark underscore.
Alright man, this is the next generation man. These lot are going to take over the
Let's
game.
go.
Sneakercon 2K18.
Let's go.
All of that.
Free the tag. Show them.
Alright, so what's this? What are we seeing here?
Select. I've got my own shop in Lewisham in London.
Okay.
So I've run a little taste of what I'm doing. Most of the heat is still at the shop, but today I'm here and I'm networking, selling little bits and bobs.
Yeah.
But big up Sneakercon, the best trainer event, hands down.
Of course. And so can you show us the?
I'll show you the mad thing.
The mad thing. Show us the madness.
So obviously these are the Chicago ones, but Virgil signed these bad boys.
Jeez.
So I'm looking $6 grand.
6K, yeah?
Yeah. I'd accept 5, but...
Five
I'll
for
do
doing it.
Six.
Max. Okay.
If you've got really small feet, I've got these for you.
Cheese. Come on. Okay.
That's me.
Crep Select. Love that. Thanks, bro. Yo, you know what? I'm gonna cop something for my kid, innit? My first child. That's heat right there, man.
It's a bit early still.
It's a bit early, but you know, wifey soon come, kids soon come. Yeah. What's me? Come on, let's get waved. Oh what? Huh? Need some more drink. I am saying, man. Like, you wouldn't know. Yo, so we're out here. So what's this? Can you tell us what?
Okay, you pay £5 for one spin, right?
Okay.
If you hit this one, the green one, you get your £5 back. If you hit the crab attack sign, you get these free crab wipes. If you hit this one, it's simply a free spin.
Yeah.
This one's a loose, the crying Jordan. And if you hit Kanye, but you gotta hit it twice, so you gotta pay twice, you can choose any shoe for retail.
For free?
Yeah, for retail.
Oh, for retail, okay.
But even the off-white Presto.
Even off-white, so any shoe that you have, get Kanye twice, boom, that's a pair of retail.
Exactly. You can find it on Instagram. Maybe.
Come on, thank you, bro. And what does it mean? Can you translate it?
It's the plug.
The plug,
Simple.
yeah? So you guys are the German plugs?
Genau.
Come on,
exactly.
love that.
Leon, yeah, you feeling lucky, bro?
I'm feeling lucky. Can I have one free spin?
Of course.
Cheers! Let's see what we get. Cheese, I get money. I get money. This one's hard. What are you saying? Copping for yourself?
Yeah.
Straight on feet. What's good, bro? How you doing?
I'm good, man. You?
I'm good, bro. So what are these? What are you showing us?
Well, this one is a Zoom Fly sample. This one apparently is like 1 out of 7 or 1 out of 8.
Okay.
This one, I got told is 1-to-1.
1-to-1. One of one.
Yeah.
Wow.
1 of 1, and then also on my feet.
So those are one of ones as well.
Yeah, like apparently so. But I think I saw a couple pictures kicking about, so it might be like 2 pair. This one, Randy might have one, but my plug said it's only one go around at the moment.
Okay. What's the store called? Like, how do people find you for all the sneakers?
Kicks Capital. Kicks Capital. Yeah.
So follow Kicks Capital.
Kicks Capital UK.
Yeah. Are these worn? There's no.
Fresh.
Go on. Nice one, man. Kicks Capital. Let's go.
We're here with
Linny
from
presented by
I'm pretty sure everyone knows who she is. We're just stopping random people today. We just wanted to see what your heat was saying on your feet.
Oh,
and
this is honestly something light, man.
Something light, yeah. Oh.
Yeah, man. I got the I was gonna say presented by Presto Off-White, all black. I can't do the white, man. It's too risky, especially in this weather today.
If you could only wear one brand for the rest of your life, what brand would it be and why?
It's Nike, man. It's always gonna be Nike for me. I love what it represents, and the amount of versatility that they have is all for me, man. So I rock with them.
Yeah, I would pick Nike as well.
For sure, yeah.
Final question: what is a hype beast?
Oh.
You stuck it on you. We had to.
Oh, what is a hype beast?
We're drawing you out.
Fucking hell.
Are you a hype beast?
No, I don't think so, you know, but people say I am, you feel me? The thing is, I just pop what I like, and if it happens to be
I like your glasses though, they're hard. Ain't seen no one wearing them before.
Maybe I try.
Yeah.
But yeah, as far as being a hype beast, I just buy what really pleases me. But if it is in that hype category, then I guess it is what it is.
Yeah.
If you can wear one brand for the rest of your life,
Maharishi. Maharishi. Why? This is sick. The quality is banging and the embroidery is mad.
If you had one brand to wear for the rest of your life, what would that be?
My own brand.
Okay, it's got its own brand, you know. What's your brand called?
It's called Vastly on merch. It's basically my own merch, basically.
Own merch,
I am the hype dragon. So
he's a hype dragon. Hear that? Must be there. Right there.
Cheers.
No one.
What kind of heat you wearing on your feet today? What we got?
Right.
Steve Madden, yeah.
Lovely.
What Presto?
Nice. SKS. New user.
Like on Tempos.
Okay, okay. Right. If you could choose one brand for the rest of your life, what would you choose? You're stuck to one. You're stuck to one, yeah? Shoes, t-shirt, jumper, everything.
Shoes, t-shirt, everything. Same brand. Same brand, that's tight.
But you could make it something flex-worthy, innit? Like
Philippines,
okay.
Supreme, I'm going Supreme.
Got everything with that, innit? Accessories, all that.
You wearing them shoes?
Okay.
I'll flex it on.
Probably Adidas.
Adidas, right. Standard. Alright, so last question. What is a hype beast? What? You put your fingers, yeah? Put your fingers. What?
Look at him. Can you tell him?
What we got?
What's this right here?
Bye.
That's the hype beast still.
Alright, cool. So what are your names?
Mr. Big Dick.
Wow, Mr. Big Dick. What's your name? If you had one brand to wear for the rest of your life, from head to toe, what would that be?
Off-White.
Off-White. Cool, strong, solid.
Probably Supreme.
Supreme, yeah? Got a hype beast right there. Take it L, son.